Hello, Terracon4 here. Autobuffs allows the user to set up custom lists of attributes by name based on what you'll need in your project and then easily to send changes or buffs to an actor for those various attributes or buff types. Buffs can be given specific IDs so you can identify and manage them, such as having a second buff application of the same buff result in a refreshing of the existing one's duration or to clear an existing buff before its time runs out. The goal is to make it easy to manage a variety of modifiers on however many types of values you may have, as you can simply reference the final output value in your actor. As far as the types of values or buff categories, there are four. Float multiplier, useful for storing multiplier adjustments like plus 20% or minus 5%, with options for being additive or multiplicative in nature. Float flat, or simple plus or minus adjustments like plus 5 or minus 2. Boolean, where if there is at least one active buff present for the given buff type, it will return true. And lastly, status, a simplified version of buffs that holds no value but allows for you to store buffs with a unique ID all in one place to easily reference for your own custom conditions or situations as may be needed for your project. Various helpful features are included, such as the ability to create events in your own actor that will notify it of any buffs that have been added or removed, simple ways to search for buffs by ID, and the inclusion of a buff info variable. This variable is a custom struct that the user can modify by adding or removing whatever variables they may need for their project. This is meant to allow for easy reference of things like a buff's name, description, visual icon to represent it, and things like that. This product also supports replication, so it can be used in multiplayer games. So, if you want something that can manage large numbers of buffs or modifiers for however many types of stats and values you might need for your game, then you'll probably find this to be a convenient and time-saving tool to help you out with your own project. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, or thoughts, feel free to email me or drop a comment down below.